第六條咧，我哋而家咧就會係有一兜嘅0.1 molar 嘅 solution 啦。咁我哋唔知係咩嚟嘅，咁我哋會咧係咁加嗰個 dilute 嘅 sodium hydroxide 落去 until in excess 喎，不斷加落去啦。咁好啦，以後嚟咧，究竟邊個 combination 咧係正確嘅？好啦，咁我哋望望咧，下面有4兜 solution 啦。其實咧，佢想考你乜嘢咧？你見到 sodium hydroxide 咧，佢係想問你咧 alkali 入面嘅 hydroxide ion 同以後嚟呢4隻嘅 solution 入面嘅 metal ion 咧，究竟有咩嘅 reaction 喎？咁我哋其實可以咧無視咗後面嗰啲咩 sulfate 啊、nitrate 啊嗰啲噶啦，因為咧呢個反應係 metal ion 同埋 alkali 之間嘅反應。好啦，先睇 A 先啦。如果係 zinc sulfate 入面嘅 zinc ion 同呢個嘅 hydroxide ion 咧，首先咧第一件事佢係的確係會 form 一個嘅precipitate 先嘅，而個顏色咧就會係一個白色嘅 white precipitate 啦。因為咧 zinc hydroxide 咧係唔溶落水嘅。咁所以咧，第一件事咧 white precipitate 咧係正確。不過咧，如果係 in excess 嘅時候咧，其實咧 zinc hydroxide 咧係會 redissolve 過，會重新溶解啦，變咗一支嘅冇colourless 嘅 solution 嘅。咁我哋陣間咧會再講下咧呢個我哋點樣知咧，其實邊一隻嘅 hydroxide 咧係會重新溶解 redissolve in excess 嘅 sodium hydroxide 啦。例如話今日嘅 zinc hydroxide 咧係會嘅。好啦。咁咧，我哋繼續睇落去咧 ，boy 咧就係 calcium nitrate 入面嘅 calcium ion 咧，係的確咧係會同咧呢個嘅 hydroxide ion 咧 react， 然後咧生成一個嘅 calcium hydroxide 嘅。咁所以咧，我哋會揀 boy 啦。好啦，咁至於 C 個 lead-2 nitrate 入面嘅 lead-2 咧，其實都會同呢個 hydroxide ion react 啦，會 form 咗一個 white 嘅 precipitate 啦。咁但係咧，佢首先唔應該係 yellow 啦，唔應該 yellow 啦，交叉佢啦。咁其實佢會 redissolve 咧，佢其實都會嗰個 lead-2 hydroxide 咧，亦都係會 redissolve in excess 嘅 sodium hydroxide 啦，然後變咗一個 colourless 嘅 solution 喎。好啦，咁至於最後啦，呢個 iron 3嘅話咧，其實佢都係會同 hydroxide react 啦，然後咧佢生成嘅咧就唔係 dirty green 喎。如果 dirty green 咧就係 iron 2 hydroxide。咁但係如果係 iron 3嘅 hydroxide 咧，應該係一個嘅 brown 嘅precipitate 啦。好啦，咁最尾啦，我哋點樣知究竟佢會唔會 redissolve 咧？如果我哋講咧 sodium excess 嘅 sodium hydroxide 咧，我哋咧有一個嘅對聯嘅。好，首先咧，我哋個對聯就叫做有 lead 有繩就攞 A。如果咧係 lead hydroxide，你或者係 zinc hydroxide 繩啦，又或者係aluminium hydroxide A 啦嚇，你咧呢3隻 hydroxide 咧，其實咧就會 redissolve in excess 嘅 sodium hydroxide， 然後咧變咗做 colourless 嘅 solution 啦。好啦，送多句俾你啦，就係如果你講 excess 嘅 ammonia 咧，當然入面都有 hydroxide ion 啦，大家呢個知道噶啦，即係佢其實都可以溶落水啦，然後咧會 form 到咧一啲 hydroxide ion 出嚟嘅。咁如果至於 ammonia 咧，個情況有少少特別嘅，佢唔同嘅。就如果你係 zinc hydroxide 啊、copper-2 hydroxide 啊同埋 silver oxide 咧，就會重新溶解嘅。咁至於 copper-2 hydroxide 咧，重新溶解嘅時候咧，就會係一個 deep blue 嘅 solution。咁我哋點記咧？就係我哋會用呢個少少繩就攞 C。就係如果你係 silver oxide， 你係 zinc 繩 hydroxide， 你就會攞 C 啦，就係 copper-2 hydroxide。呢3隻嘅 hydroxide 咧，或者 oxide 咧，就會重新溶解於呢個嘅 excess 嘅 ammonia。咁所以咧，我哋就可以咁記咗佢啦。